You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing celebrity names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. Ricky Gervais. Ricky Gervais. Stress on the first syllable of Ricky and stress on the second syllable of Gervais. Gervais. Ricky Gervais. And now you know more videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names that many get confused by. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it, at least, it really helps. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.